Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today the topic is how a quantum computing works and what is quantum computer and its types in detail and how does quantum computing work. Number one, quantum computing. Let's dive into the fascinating world of the quantum computing. What is quantum computing? Quantum computing is a new paradigm for computing that uses the principle of quantum mechanics to perform calculations and unlike classical computers which use bits 0s and 1s to process information, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits. How does quantum computing work? Number one, qubits. Qubits are the fundamental units of the quantum information. They can exist in multiple states simultaneously, allowing for parallel processing. Superposition. Qubits can exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can represent multiple values at the same time. Entanglement. Qubits can become entangled, meaning their properties are connected even when separated by large distances. Quantum gates. Quantum gates are the quantum equivalent of the logic gates in classical computing. They perform operations on qubits. Benefits of quantum computing. Number one, speed, simulation, optimization. Number one, speed. Quantum computers can solve certain problems exponentially faster than classical computers. Simulation. Quantum computer can simulate complex systems, enabling the breakthroughs in fields like chemistry and material science. Optimization. Quantum computers can optimize complex problems such as logistics and finance. Application of the quantum computing. Number one, cryptography. Quantum computers can break certain classical encryption algorithms, but they can also be used to create a new quantum resistance encryption methods. Optimization. Quantum computers can optimize complex problems in fields like logistics, finance, and energy management. Material science. Quantum computers can simulate the behavior of materials at the molecular level, enabling the breakthroughs in fields like material science and chemistry. Machine learning. Quantum computers can speed up certain machine learning algorithms, enabling faster and more accurate predictions. Challenges and limitations. Noise and error correction. Quantum computers are prone to errors due to the noise in the quantum system. Developing robust error correction method is essential. Scalability. Current quantum computers are small scale and need to be scaled up to perform complex tasks. Number three, quantum control. Maintaining the control over quantum system is crucial to ensure accurate computations. Current state and future prospects. Quantum hardware companies like Google, IBM, and Rigetti are developing advanced quantum hardware, quantum software, and quantum application. Quantum software frameworks like Qiskit, Kirk, and Q Dash are being developed to support quantum computing. Quantum applications. Researchers and companies are exploring various applications of the quantum computing. Getting started with quantum computing. Learn quantum basis, explore quantum frameworks, join quantum communities. Number one, learn quantum basis. Understand the principle of quantum mechanics and quantum computing. Explore the quantum framework. Familiarize yourself with quantum software frameworks like Qiskit or Circ. Join computer communities. Participate in online forums and communicate to stay updated on the latest developments.